Hi everyone. I couldn't get a really good do down at the beach. There's too many people. So I'm going to have a do now and see if I can fly over to the sea, okay? We'll have a go. Let's go.
Home point updated.
I'm keeping a kind of a straight do. Got 93%. See if I can fly out to the main bit and show you a bit of it. That's a nice place, isn't it? Not bad. I'll go out into the sea a bit, okay? 26 miles an hour. Got to stay quite high because of signal issues, you know. Stay quite high because of that. Let's have a look. Yeah. Sea's pretty nice, isn't it, today? See? I think the tide's coming out, so in, sorry, it's coming in. Just here. Oh, some boats there. I'm not going to go too far. See if we can get over to that island over there where I was before, okay? Ooh. Right, signal seems to have improved there a bit. %. Let's have a look on the map. Alright. We might need to rise up a bit because the signal's shitting its pants, alright, so we'll go up a bit. Yeah, this is Saint Ives, okay? So you can have a look, see what you think. Signal's going worse. I'm going to have to go at least to 400. 400's fine. Some nice waves there. That's where we've just been, on that beach. 5,000 feet out, so we don't want to be too far out. Like I said, I'm in the Tesco car park, so I don't want to lose it really. Signal here. Quite busy today. So where are we? Four 4,000 feet off. Going okay. This looks nice, doesn't it? don't know where this is, but we'll have a look, eh? Signal shit itself a bit because this house is in between the signal and stuff. It's just hard to get it, so it's difficult. Not too bad around here. Come down a bit so we can see. And we'll get on then. So let's have a look at the sea. Get back up to Tesco, I think. We'll come back up. Alright, come on. We'll fly back up, I think. It's time to come back up. Have a look down there. Nice pool there. Okay, we'll come back. Landing. Okay, done.